Why should I label my HVAC breakers? You should label them so you can quickly and safely shut off the correct heating and cooling equipment during maintenance, emergencies, or repairs. Your heating, ventilation, and air conditioning system may use several breakers, including separate ones for the furnace, air conditioner, heat pump, air handler, thermostat, or electric backup heat. Without clear labels, someone may switch off the wrong breaker and believe the equipment is safe when parts of it are still powered. A label also helps firefighters, technicians, and family members respond faster if there is smoke, burning, flooding, or an electrical problem. Start by turning the system on, then switch off one breaker at a time and observe which part stops working. Never touch wiring or open electrical panels while testing, and do not rely only on the thermostat because some components can remain energized even when the system is not running. Write a clear description such as outdoor air conditioner, indoor furnace, or electric heat instead of using vague words like air conditioning. A useful detail many homeowners miss is that a large breaker may control the outdoor unit while a smaller breaker controls the indoor equipment, so both may need to be identified before service begins. After testing, place the labels neatly beside the correct breaker and keep a matching note near the heating and cooling equipment. One common mistake is labeling a breaker based only on what someone told you, so test each one carefully and confirm the result with a qualified professional if anything is unclear. Another mistake is assuming one breaker controls the entire system, so check for separate indoor, outdoor, and backup heat circuits. People also sometimes use labels that fade or fall off, so write with a permanent marker on a durable panel directory and update it after electrical or heating work. If you need help with a project, search for trusted, affordable local contractors at www.bighomeprojects.com. Another option is to download our app, Job It Tier, where homeowners and property owners can list jobs and have home service experts and contractors reach out, message you back, and offer their estimates.